Kolam in 2009. 2019 we started as a passion project. This was something what we wanted to connect with the Tamil culture. Kolam, Rangoli, whatever you say, it's spread out all around the country. So we started as a passion project with few participants, and then till now, this year we've had more than 2,500, 3,000 participants, not just from Tamil Nadu, but all over the world. In fact, from US we had a few participants and a winner. So it has become really big, it has become exciting, it is rewarding to all the participants. You win, you lose. The fact that you are a part of our community, that is what matters. And the fact that you're supporting us, you're supporting this venture is the most important thing for us as an institution.
Cultural connect for the brand with the people of Tamil Nadu. That's why we've been doing this, and we've been getting overwhelming response year on year. As I said earlier, we used to get people from Bombay doing it, sending it pictures. We've had people travel from Pondicherry, Tanjavur. They come specially for this day to collect the gift. They're very happy with the recognition of the housewives who are basically just stuck in the house all day working day in and day out without any recognition. So this is also a recognition of all the women emancipation that has been happening in our country, and we just want to be a minuscule part of this.
ஹாய் எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் ஒரு 7 வருஷம் தான் ஸ்ரீலதர்ஸோட இருக்குது. ஸோ அதுக்காக இப்போ எல்லோரும் சொல்லுவாங்க அவங்க பெங்காலி, ஆனால் அவங்க தமிழ் கல்ச்சருக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறேன். பட் இப்போ 7 வருஷம் ஆயிடுச்சு, அதுமாதிரி இது ஸ்ரீலதரோட கல்ச்சர் ஆயிடுச்சு. எப்போவுமே கோலம் பார்ட்டிசிபேட்ஸ் இருக்கும். இப்போ எவ்ரி இயர் நம்ம வெயிட் பண்ணுறோம் எப்போ இந்த கோலம் கான்டெஸ்ட் இருக்கும், இந்த ஷோ இருக்கும். ஸோ எல்லாத்தையும் வந்துட்டு நம்ம அப்லோட் பண்ணோம். ஸ்ரீலதர்ஸ் இந்த டைம் ஸ்பெஷலாக சோட்டா பீமோட சைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஸ்பெஷல் ஸ்ரீலதர்ஸ் பேக் சோட்டா பீமோட வந்துருக்கு, சிக்னேச்சர் பேக்ஸ். ஸோ புது லான்ச் பண்ணாங்க, இது ஸ்பெஷல். ஸோ எல்லாரையும் நீங்கள் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்க ஸ்ரீலதர்ஸ்க்கு. இந்த மாதிரி இன்னும் பெரிய பெரிய இது எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ்லி அவைலபிள் ஸ்ரீலதர்ஸில் இருக்குது. ஆன்லைன் அண்ட் ஆன் த ஸ்டோர்ஸ்.
Bags both exclusively available in our stores.
Other brands sign up with Warner Brothers for other characters, but Chhota Bheem being an Indian cartoon that has gone global, by the way. This is the most viewed cartoon network in the US when it comes to the Indian diaspora. So we decided to sign up with Chhota Bheem for a period of 3 years, and we'll probably continue after that. And we just launched the products. I would like to take this opportunity to share this as well. Thank you.
It's a part of our culture, part of our growing up. Like I said, in the north you do Rangoli, here you do Kolam. This is something I want to pass down to the next generation. I don't want it to stop. The fact that everyone puts Kolam, it is close to my heart. I wanted to start this, and I will continue. It's tradition. Certain traditions you can't let go, and this will happen for the rest of our lives. Till we are there, I will do this Kolam competition.